In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom dates in the ClickUp calendar view. Let's dive in and make your ClickUp experience more efficient and tailored to your needs. First, you need to open your internet browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to log into your account. Click on the Login section at the top right corner of the page. For your convenience, ClickUp might prompt you with an option to continue as your user profile or account name. Go ahead and click on that. This step will smoothly take you into your ClickUp workspace without any hassle. Once you're logged in, you're going to click on the task to which you want to add a custom date. Look for the small plus icon strategically placed around the right corner of your task view. Clicking that icon opens up additional options for your task. Here you'll need to type in your desired date. Remember, adding dates is not just for due dates. You can mark important dates that will definitely come in handy to display on your calendar view. With the date in place, just hit Enter to specify this date. This little step signals ClickUp to note this new addition. The next part is straightforward. Click Create, and voila! Your custom date is ready. But wait, there's more to it. Within your list or board view, locate the date column. This part of ClickUp allows you to line up your dates, which helps in visually managing them. Go ahead and select your required date from this column. Don't forget to click on Highlight. This action will bring the date into focus, making it easier to track. Next, you will need to click on Calendar in the side menu to access your calendar view. This will provide a full overview of all the dates you've set. To refine your display settings, click on Settings or Customize. This is where you can personalize which dates appear in your calendar. Now navigate to the More Options dropdown. This step lets you configure further by selecting Task Date and Publish Date where applicable. This customization ensures your ClickUp calendar isn't just functional but fits perfectly with your workflow. And finally, if you wish to test how everything looks and feels, click on Task 1 from within your project area and admire how seamlessly the task and date integration comes together. Highlight it once more, just to see it in optimal clarity. This way, managing tasks and timeframes feels both intuitive and satisfying. And with that, you now have a well-organized ClickUp calendar view featuring custom dates. Remember, being methodical with your tasks and schedules can save you not just time, but bring a great structure to your productivity endeavors. That concludes our guide for today. Thank you for following along and happy planning.